Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Ubisoft Connect is not launching on your PC. So super easy and quick, and without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what you need to do here is to basically open up Task Manager and end all the tasks related to Ubisoft Connect. As you can see here, it should be no tasks left here. You can see here there is no tasks related to Ubisoft Connect. And another thing that you can do here is to, on search, just write Ubisoft Connect, and then you just need to open file location, and then you need to again go to an open file location, and when you are on this application, then go to properties, and then go to compatibility. Check this box, run this program in compatibility mode 4, and then you need to select run this program as administrator, press apply, okay, restart your computer, and Ubisoft Connect should work. Right, so that's pretty much it, and if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.